We'll guide you through how to enable Namecheap domain privacy. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard, where you can see all your domains listed. Find the domain for which you want to enable privacy, and click on it. This will take you to the domain management page. Now, look for the section labeled Domain Privacy, or WHOIS Guard, as Namecheap often refers to it. There should be a toggle switch or button here. If it's currently showing as disabled, click on it to turn it on. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to enable privacy protection. Once confirmed, the status should change to enabled, indicating that your personal information is now protected from public WHOIS databases. If you're wondering about the cost, the good news is that Namecheap often includes WHOIS Guard protection for free with domain purchases. But always double-check if there are any changes. It's essential to protect your personal information from spammers and identity thieves, and enabling domain privacy is a crucial step. Now your details are safe from public exposure. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.